I like the suntan. I don't feel like turning the light off, so maybe I should turn it off. Oh, look at that! You can see me again. Just kidding. Anyway, what do I got for you? I got some junk. Since I can't do any work, I got some junk for you to watch. It's mid to late February. It's freezing cold out, and it hasn't gotten warm enough to do anything in here. Maple season coming. Hopefully, it's coming around the corner. Warm days, cold nights. You know. So I'm going to show you what I got here. Let me bend the camera down a little here. There we go. What do I got? I have this. It is a WEN foot pedal. So basically, what does it do? It's a, hopefully it's an on-off switch. Now, how do I test it? Good question. Let me find something to plug in. I plug my bandsaw in it, but I don't feel like plugging the bandsaw, but what the hell. Anyway, I bought it online because I'm making a little bandsaw thing, and I seen this because it's good to turn it off and on. So it's actually pretty sturdy. It's metal. It's thin. It's got a, hold on, turn the light on again. See, it's made of metal. It's pretty thin. It's got a little spec Z's on the back Z's. It's got a cable in and out, so I'm guessing it's on off. So yeah, I'll do a little demonstration with it sometime soon. Got that. I also picked up some, what are these, center drill bits. See, I don't know if you can see this. Center, yeah, hold on, this is useless. Nothing like trying to show you shit in a blurry package, eh? Let's go like this. I got some center drill bits because apparently I don't have any. And apparently these are really cool. High speed steel. They're cheap. They're like 10 bucks. I don't have any, so I'd like to get some bigger ones. Center drills and countersink. I should buy some. These are cool because they have like really tiny ass ones too. I'm not a machinist, but these are all cool. So I bought a little pack. Just a wee pack. I also picked up some, oh yeah. This thing is a tow hitch pin for a M274 military mule. Which, do I have the tow bar? No. But I'm gonna get one. Actually, I'll make one because I'm like spending hundreds of dollars on something I can easily make. So there you go. There's the tow pin for the M274 military mule. Yeah, there's that. So anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and join my, if you're new to this video, join my channel. I'll probably make some stupid, what do you call it, shorts, maybe get some more subscribers. So, toodles.